Hey everyone, today we are talking Instagram hacks. It's been a little while and I thought it was about time to bring another one back. So if you want to see 3 new Instagram hacks, just keep watching. Hey everyone, if you're new here, I am Shelly. It's nice to meet you. On my channel, we're doing tech hacks and all kinds of video editing tricks. So if that's the kind of thing you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become part of the squad. Today we're going to be talking about 3 new Instagram hacks, and I thought it'd been a little while, and I was looking back at my channel, I was like, yeah, it has been a little while. And so I thought, let's go ahead and do one. All right, so the first hack, we're gonna be tackling Instagram captions. And so I don't know if you've seen it, but every once in a while you see the captions that don't have spaces, don't have periods, don't have dashes, but they have amount of space between the next thing that they wanna talk about. And it's like, what is this magic, right? So I want to show you how to do it as well. So the first thing you're going to do, you can either do this on a computer, you can do this on your phone, and if you want a video on how to do Instagram from your computer, I have a video on that and I can go ahead and link it up here in the cards for you. So if you want to go see that, you can definitely check that out. And so you can either go to the website, like I said, or you're going to want to star the website on your mobile phone and then you can go to it. So what you'll do is you'll type in the caption that you want, and with all the spaces and everything that you want and the line breaks, and then all you have to do is literally, you're just going to hit this button here that says copy, and then it's going to save it, so that all you have to do is then go back into Instagram and hit paste, and it is going to have the magic spaces there for you. So the next time you have a caption and you want to have those spaces and not those periods and stuff, you're going to be able to see the spaces. How easy is that, right? It's literally copy and paste. So easy. All right, so the second one is going to be, I actually got a question on, I had been doing this on my stories, and there was a question, how did you do that about a black screen and it looks like I'm typing on the screen? And the reason why I'm doing that in stories is kind of interesting because you can, as you're typing it, it keeps people on your story longer so that they read the whole thing, plus it's interactive and it looks kind of cool. So the way that you're going to do that, make sure you get onto your phone here, and the first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have the screen recording function set up on your iOS device, as well as, I have an iPhone, so that's how I'm doing it. And I even made a video on how to set that up in iOS tricks. So if you have not seen that video either, I will link that one up in the cards and you can take a peek at it. And it's really easy that way. When you swipe down, you'll have a button right away as a shortcut to screen record, which comes in really handy in just a minute. So what you're going to do is you're going to go in like you are about to create an entire story. So what you can do is you can just take a picture of anything. It doesn't really matter. You can cover up your hand. You could do it at the table. You could take it of whatever. And then what you'll do is you'll go up to the little icon that looks like a marker, and you make sure that it's selected as black. And then what you have to do is you just push on the screen for 3 seconds. So you go 1, 2, 3, and then boom, the whole screen goes black, just like that, right? Kind of cool. So then the next thing you'll do is you'll hit the text option and you'll just start typing in the message that you want people to see. But one trick on this, right before you do this, you're only going to be able to type for as long as the story is, right? So you're going to have to be able to type fast, and you may have to do this a couple times to get it in that time frame. Otherwise, you'll have to go into a video editing app and like speed it up and shorten it down. But my guess is you're not going to want to do that and do extra editing. So just remember in your head that you only have 10 seconds, 15 seconds or so to type in everything that you want, okay? So it could be like the, hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day, or, you know, you can combine a couple of elements by typing out something and then having a poll question, yes or no, which is another great way to drive your Instagram engagement by having multiple things at the same time happening in the same story. So what you're going to do is you're, right before you're going to start typing, you're going to swipe down so that you can access the menu for the screen recording, hit the button, right? Scroll up so that you're already like ready to go. And then as soon as you see it, right, start typing in what you want. All right, and then you're going to swipe down again from the menu and stop the recording, okay? Now you're going to go into your camera roll, and you're going to select that video, and of course you already have, you know, where it says like the screen is coming on and the screen recording is coming off, so you're going to have to trim this clip, and you don't have to open iMovie or anything for it. You can actually just do it right here, and you'll just slide the beginning if you need to. If you didn't do it fast enough, swipe out of, you know, the screen record And then, because it gives you a countdown, 3, 2, 1. So as long as you can go out of it before then you won't see it at the beginning and you'll just trim. And then you go to the end and you'll see the end of it. Again, like I said, make sure it's under 15 seconds or so, and then slide that edge back. Okay, so now you have a new video. So now you're gonna go back into Instagram and you're gonna throw away the one that you were just doing, right? And you're gonna import the video that you just took. Now, the only thing that you may want to change on this is you're going to see on the side, right? You're going to see that up and down marker for the text, and you may not want to see that. So what you can do, again, go into the marker tool and then just select black and then kind of cover it up over here on the side. That way it's gone. And then any other like weird stuff that was on the screen that's part of the Instagram thing, you just literally just kind of brush it away with your finger. It's gonna cover it up in black and you are good to go. Then once that is done, if you think about it, it's kind of like in my last tutorial with PicMonkey, it's just like adding a new layer and covering up the stuff that you don't want to see. And if you haven't checked that out yet, there is a giveaway going on that video for another week, so go check that out. I will link that one up in the cards too and link it in the description because it's really cool. You get a year's worth of PicMonkey Pro, which is worth like 120 bucks for free for 3 lucky winners. So go enter that. And then, okay, so back to this, all you're gonna do, if you want, you can throw on a survey or do whatever else. You can add the music, do all that good stuff, and then go ahead and add it to your story. And then when you watch it back, you're gonna see it looks like you are typing in real time. So I thought it was just kind of something different and something kind of cool that you don't see a lot of people doing. So that is gonna be Instagram kind of hack number 2. And then the last Instagram hack that we're going to be tackling today is the ability to insert different fonts. So you may see some people that have different fonts that are going to be up in like either their description or in their bio or anything like that. So if you want to bold your name or you want to do a different font and have it look kind of funny, you know, not funny, but you know, just different and it stands out, and you want to personalize your Instagram. So all you have to do is go to, it's going to be again a copy and paste type of thing, just like the first thing, but all you have to do is go to this site and then you can type in what it is that you want to say. Okay, so once you type that in, then, and I will say there are multiple sites that you can do this in. This is not the only one. I'm just saying it's one of the ones that I've come across, okay? So if you come across another site, that's totally fine. If you want to use that one because there's more fonts, it's totally fine. I'm just telling you this exists, okay? So what you'll do is you'll type in the phrase or, you know, whatever that you want, and then you can see all the different ways and the different fonts that can be displayed. So all you have to do then is copy and paste and then put it back where you want it. So this works in the description, this works in the bio section, it works anywhere. It also works in Instagram stories if you wanted a different font that like isn't available, because there's only like 4 fonts or so that are available. And if you guys actually want a different video on some of the cool apps that I've seen and started using for Instagram stories, so you can do things like adding more music or adding moving text or just different style elements, I would totally make that video. Just let me know below that you want to see that video and I will make it. So that is the third hack, and so I hope that gives you 3 different cool ways to spice up your Instagram game. So if you want to recap, we had, right, the ability to add spaces, we had the typing of the Instagram stories, and we have the different fonts. And if you guys want a video on some of the cool Instagram story stuff, or if you guys want to see a video on using PicMonkey to make Instagram story cover so you can insert photos, let me know. I would totally make that one too, because I saw that one recently when I went to their training and I thought it was really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. Would love to have you be part of the squad, and I will see you in a video very soon. Thanks guys, bye.